ready to turn your website visitors into paying customers. Let's dive straight into embedding a checkout page directly onto a specific page of your Wix website, making the buying process super easy. First, open your Wix website editor and navigate to the page where you want to add the checkout. Once you're there, click the Add Elements button, usually indicated by a plus sign. In the Add Elements panel, scroll down until you find the button section. Click on Button, and you'll see a selection of different button styles. Choose a button style that you like and drag it onto your page. Position it where you want your checkout to be accessible, perhaps near product descriptions or a call to action. Now, select the button, then click the link icon and a window will pop up. In the link settings panel, select Page, then select Cart Page or whichever page you set up as your checkout page from the drop-down menu. Click Done. Now, let's change the button text to something like Checkout or Buy Now. To make it clear what the button does, simply click on the button text and type in your desired call to action. Finally, don't forget to preview your changes. Test your new checkout button by clicking it in preview mode to ensure it directs you to the shopping cart page. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully added a checkout page to your Wix website, making it easier than ever for customers to complete their purchases.